This beautiful pink sapphire ended up in my vacuum cleaner. It started like always, me carefully handling and testing a stunning gemstone. This one is a natural, unheated pink sapphire from Madagascar. Even covered in dirt the following day, it sparkled. Nothing stops this elusive beauty. Under the polariscope, it tested anisotropic, and I was twisting and turning it to locate the optic axis when suddenly it vanished, just like that. And the worst part, no sound. I had no idea where it went. I could literally hear my teacher's voice in my head. Keep everything closed and tucked away. Gems have a tendency to fly. It could be anywhere, but how shall I tackle this? So I had to stop testing and start hunting. Follow for part 2.